In the quiet hours of a late-night research session, something surfaced from the depths of Apple's supply chain that should make every music lover and tech enthusiast stop in their tracks. We aren't just talking about a minor tweak or new color. We are talking about the AirPods Pro 4. You've seen everything Apple can do with the power of earbuds. You are about to be driven around in the most searchers of way person. For years, the AirPods Pro has been the gold standard for convenience. They are the it product that everyone owns, but they've largely stayed the same in terms of their core mission: play music and block noise. But as we move into 2026, Apple is about to pivot. The AirPods Pro 4 are being designed as something much more than headphones. They are being reimagined as wearable computers for your ears. Let's talk about the leak that is currently sending shockwaves through the industry. Infrared cameras. You heard that correctly. Rumors from high-level supply chain insiders suggest that Apple is integrating miniature infrared camera modules into each earbud. Now, why on earth would your headphones need eyes? The answer lies in the Apple Vision Pro and future spatial computing. These cameras are reportedly designed to track hand gestures in midair. Imagine walking down the street and simply pinching the air song or waving your hand to adjust the volume, all without ever touching your phone or even the stem of the AirPods. This isn't just a gimmick. It's the bridge between the digital world and the physical world. But the ambition doesn't stop at cameras. The heart of the AirPods Pro 4 is expected to be the H3 chip. We've lived with the H2 for a while now, and it brought us incredible noise cancellation. But the H3 is a different beast entirely. It's being built with massive neural engine capabilities specifically for Apple Intelligence. We are moving toward a world where your AirPods aren't just a passive output device. They will be an active assistant. Imagine walking into a grocery store in a foreign country, and the cashier speaks to you. Your AirPods Pro 4 translates their voice in real time, whispering directly into your ear with zero lag. It's in science fiction anymore. This is the power of on-device AI. And then there is the sound. We all know Apple's computational audio is good. For the Pro 4, they're looking to solve the one problem that has plagued Bluetooth audio since its inception: lossless wireless. Currently, even the best AirPods have to compress your music to send it over Bluetooth. However, with new ultra-wideband technology and the H3 chip, the AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to finally unlock true, high-fidelity, lossless audio wirelessly. You will finally hear the breath of the singer, the vibration of the guitar string, and the depth of the soundstage exactly as the artist intended in Suyu. Let's talk about your health. Apple has been slowly turning the Apple Watch into a Macal device, and now it's the AirPods' turn. The Pro 4 is expected to feature the Planckle-grade heart rate sensor, the possibly even a biometric sensor directly into the ear tier. Why the ear? Because the skin inside your ear canal is much more stable and thinner than the skin on your wrist, providing even more accurate data than a watch. For athletes, this means getting lab-quality biometric data during a workout without needing any extra straps or sensors. But perhaps the most profound shift